In this video, I will show you how to get your latitude and longitude on Google Maps. So, to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Google Maps on your device. So in here, go ahead and zoom in on the area that you want to get the longitude and latitude of. So go ahead and zoom that in into that area. So you can use your mouse to go ahead and zoom in. Now click on that specific location and then this will pop on your screen. So on the left side, you'll be able to find the whereabouts of the specific location. Now, to be able to get the longitude and the latitude of this specific location, you need to go ahead and right click the pin. So let's head back into the maps area and right click the pin. And then as you can see, you'll be able to find the latitude and the longitude of this location. You can also share this location directly with Google Maps.